Imagine you're a 16-year-old kid in India in the early 1900s. You have no formal education beyond basic school, no access to universities, and very little money. All you have is a worn notebook, a pencil, and an intense curiosity about numbers. This is the story of Srinivasa Ramanujan, a young boy from a small town in southern India who would go on to change the world of mathematics forever. Ramanujan was fascinated by math from a very early age. Without a teacher to guide him, he taught himself advanced mathematics from a single, outdated book he found. He spent hours solving problems and creating new formulas that no one had seen before. But because his methods were so unconventional, many of his teachers dismissed his work as strange or even meaningless. Determined to prove himself, Ramanujan sent a letter in 1913 to G.H. Hardy, one of the greatest mathematicians of the time, at Cambridge University in England. This letter contained over 100 mathematical theorems and formulas, most of which were completely new. At first, Hardy was skeptical. He had seen many amateur letters filled with mistakes. But when he examined Ramanujan's work, he realized something extraordinary. The formulas were correct, and in many cases, groundbreaking. Hardy immediately invited Ramanujan to Cambridge, where the young genius could work with other leading mathematicians. Life in England was hard for Ramanujan. He struggled with the cold weather and unfamiliar food, and the outbreak of World War I made things even more difficult. But despite these challenges, Ramanujan continued to produce remarkable work in number theory, infinite series, and mathematical analysis. One of the most fascinating parts of Ramanujan's story is that he claimed many of his insights came from dreams. He said a Hindu goddess appeared to him and revealed these complex mathematical ideas, which he then recorded. Whether by divine inspiration or incredible intuition, his work remains some of the most profound in mathematics today. Ramanujan's health declined, and he returned to India in 1919. He died just 2 years later at the age of 32, but his legacy lives on. His theorems and formulas still influence fields like physics, computer science, and cryptography. Ramanujan's story is a powerful reminder that genius can emerge from the most unexpected places, and that passion and perseverance can break down even the toughest barriers. He went from a poor boy with no formal training to one of the greatest mathematical minds in history. Today, Srinivasa Ramanujan is celebrated not only as a mathematical legend, but as a symbol of inspiration for dreamers everywhere.